dear parents, keeping in view health and safety on top priority, and as corona is spreading fast in the world, recorded videos will be posted to link later and this will be intimated. So now let your child study and understand the lessons through the videos what we have sent. Thank you parents. Okay, next. Hi children. Today we are going to study about EVS first unit, Go Green Plant World. Go Green Plant World, page number 118. In the previous class we have learned the parts of plant. Now we are going to study about types of plant. Types of plants. Okay. Look out. Okay children, look outside the window. Look outside the window. What do you see? Yes, we see so many things in our around us. For example, animals, plants, birds and etc. Okay. Which things you have seen in your around us? You have write in this box. Write in this box. Okay. See here. Now I have to explain parts of plants. Parts of plants and how they are working. Parts of plants. A plant has many parts. Plant has many parts. They are root, stem, leaf, flower and fruits. First one is root. What is this? Root. These are the roots of a plant. It grows under the ground. It holds the plant in the soil. Okay. Next one is stem. This is stem. This is stem of a plant. It helps the plant to stand. Plant to stand. Next, leaves. These are the leaves of a plant. Leaves make food for the plant. Okay, next, flower. Flowers are the colorful parts of a plant. Rose, for example, rose, sunflower and jasmine are some flowers we commonly see around us. And last one is fruit. Fruit. Some plants produce fruits. We eat some fruits like mango, apple, banana, grapes and etc. Everyone understood parts of plants? Okay. Next we are going to study about types of plant. We are going to study about types of plants. Okay. Do you see greenery all around us? Okay children. Tell me, do you see greenery all around? Yes. We see greenery all around us. Do you see plants everywhere? Yes. We see plants everywhere. Okay, tell me children, all plants are same in size? No, some are big, some are small, some are huge and some are tiny, some are tall and some are short, and some are old and some are young, and some are weak and some are strong. All different from each other. Okay, just like you and me. These plants too grows in different places and live for different periods of time. Okay. Do all of us look alike? Yes or no? Do all the plants also look alike? No. Like us, plants too don't. Plants don't look alike as they are different in size and shapes. Plants. You all are also write this sentence in your book. Plants don't look alike as they are different in size and shape. Okay. Next, tell me children, the big and strong plants are called? The big and strong plants are called what? Okay, the big and strong plants are called trees. Trees. Trees grow tall and have a thick woody stem. Next, which is called a trunk. These are trunks. They live for many years. Tree live for many years. Okay, tell me children, is it easy to climb trees? Is it easy to climb trees? No, it cannot easy to climb trees. Okay, name 3 of your favorite fruits that grow on trees. Write your favorite fruits name on the line. I will write what I like. First one, I like mango and apple, and I like guava. Okay. Trees are also of different shapes and sizes. Next, they grow very tall. Trees grow very tall and strong. Okay, next. Dash are smaller than trees but are still strong. What are those? Okay, some plants are small but strong. Such plants are called shrubs. Shrubs. They have woody stems. Some of them are bushy too. They are strong as a tree, but they are not that much bigger. For example, jasmine plant, rose, chili plant, and etc. Okay, next children. Some plants are much smaller than trees and shrubs. They have soft stems and roots. They are weak and don't grow very high. They don't live for long. What we call them? Okay, very good. These are herbs. These have a short lifetime. We can use herbs in our kitchen. Some plants are small and weak. Such plants are called herbs. For example, coriander, menthi, tulsi and etc. Do you know, children? Are all plants strong? Yes or no? Okay, no. Some plants need support because they are too weak to grow on their own. Some plants have weak stem. Weak stem, they cannot grow straight on their own. They support of walls. They support of walls, sticks or other plants. They support of walls, sticks and other plants. Other plants to grow. Such plants are called climbers. Such plants are called climbers. Okay, see here. Think of 3 things that can provide support for such plants to grow. First one, string. String means thread. Second one, wooden stick. Third one, wall. Because some plants have weak stems, they cannot grow straight on their own. They support of walls, sticks or other plants to grow. Other plants to grow. Such plants are called climber. Dash grows vertically and spread across with the support of sticks and walls among other things. What are those? Yes, correct. These are climbers. For example, grapevine, money plant and pumpkin. Grapevine, money plant and etc. And next, some weak plants grow along the ground. Such plants are called what? Such plants are called creepers. Dash spread along the ground. Creepers spread along the ground. Some of the heaviest fruits and vegetables like watermelons, pumpkins grows on one of the weakest type of plants. They are creepers. Next, one activity is there. Do this activity. Name the type of plant on which these fruits, vegetables and flowers grow. Okay, first one. Where do we get from apple? Where do we get from apple? Oh yes, correct. We get apple from tree. We get apple from tree. Next, where do we get from tomato? Yes, we get tomato from shrub. We get tomato from shrub. And the same, where do we get from tree? Mango. Yes, we get mango from tree. Next, where do we get onion? We get onion from herb. We get onion from herb. We get flowers from shrub. We get tulsi from shrub. We get grapes from climbers. We get hibiscus from shrub. We get jasmine shrub. From shrubs. We get coriander herb. Coriander is one of the herb. Okay, next, name any four parts of your body. We have so many parts of in our body. For example, head, hands, neck, legs, stomach, chest, and etc. Just like us, even plants are made up of different parts. Plants also made different parts. Usually cannot see me. You usually cannot see me. But I support and hold the plant together. I also absorb water and minerals from the soil for the plant. I am the, tell me, I am the, yes, correct, root. Roots are support and hold the plants together, and roots also absorb water and minerals from the soil for the plant. Roots hold the plants. Roots hold the plants to the ground. Plants to the ground. They also take in water and nutrients from the soil. They also take in water and nutrients from the soil. Do roots grow only under the ground? Tell me, do roots grow only under the ground? No. Yes, you are correct. Yes. Roots mostly grow under the ground. Roots mostly grow under the ground. Next, I am the central part of the plant and carry food and water to the whole plant. Who I am? Yes, that is stem. Stem. This is stem. Yes, stem holds the plant up. The plant up, stem holds the plant up. It takes food and water to all parts of the plant. All parts of the plant. Some stems are weak. This is weak. And some are strong. This is still, for example, big trees stems are so strong and herbs stems are so weak. Okay, some stems are so weak that you can pull them out, whereas some are twice as big as both of us combined. Next, usually green. We are a lot of us. We also make food for the plant with the help of sunlight. We are the, what are those? Yes, you are correct. There are leaves. And leaves make food for the, leaves are make food for the plant. All leaves cannot look the same. Do you know? Do all leaves look the same? No. Do all leaves cannot look the same? Some are big and some are small. Next, we are colorful, we smell good, we make seeds and fruits. We are the most beautiful part of the plant. Who are we? What are those? Okay, correct. Those are flowers. These are flowers. And flowers make seeds. Flowers made seeds of fruits. The flowers is most beautiful part of the plant. Understood, children? Okay. Name your favorite flower. Right here on the line. I write our favorite flower. Rose. I like rose. And what does it grow? Roses are grow in shrubs. Roses are grow in shrubs. Okay. Okay, children, see here. One paragraph is there. I will read this. Keep your fingers on your textbook. Just like us, plants also breathe, grow and die. Plants can also make food. They store food in different parts of their body. They not only prepare food for themselves but are a source of food too. While some plants cannot move, some can move a little. Some plants require water daily, while some can stay without water for a few days. After knowing this, what do we think? Tell me, are plants living or non-living? Yes, plants are living things. Okay, children? Understood this lesson? Plants are of different types: trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers and climbers. Roots hold the plants together and absorb water and minerals from the soil. The stem transports food, water and minerals to all other parts of the plant. The leaves make food for the plant and the flowers add to their beauty. Plants are living things. They breathe, grow, make and store food and die. Okay, children? We will continue next period. Bye.